How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be doing the Rotofab intake install. Well, technically not today. This will be filmed on Monday because I just got the box and I'm too impatient to wait. So I'm going to open it up today. We'll do the install over the weekend, but you'll see it all then. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we got the box open. I don't know if I'm able to really open it well from this angle, but we will try our best. Hopefully things don't just fall out. Dang, that tube is big. Holy crap. Alright, so there's your intake tube. So that's for the mat. Holy shit, this thing is packed in here pretty tight. Uh-oh, I'm dropping stuff. No worries. V-band clamps. Looks like all the clamps and brackets, mounting accessories there. The box itself. This one's pretty self-explanatory. Big piece of plastic. This one's not so self-explanatory. I don't know where this goes, to be honest. Yeah, not as well packaged. Well, not as fancily packaged as the radium catch can over there, but it does come with printed instructions, which is nice. So at least we got that going for us. Anything else in here? Nope. Sweet, sitting in here. This is one thing I did not. Okay, good. So one thing I didn't understand too well on SS only was when it said like standard for sparkle, if it meant this section that I've seen in sparkle, or if it meant the actual Rotofab like logo. And I wanted to have a Rotofab logo. Obviously, it looks cool. One, and you know, just it's their part. I'd rather show it off. But I'm glad it shows the Rotofab logo right there. What's this say? Attention to specific procedure for opening the lid to prevent loss of screw retainer. Oh, okay, just instructions to go with it. So I'm gonna obviously hold this for a couple days, but once I do the installation, I will read these instructions thoroughly and do the install for you guys. So we'll see you then. Alright guys, this is right after the catch can install. Unfortunately, it didn't go too smooth today. I'm going to work with Joe and get that one figured out, so stay tuned for that video. That'll definitely be an interesting one to check out, just to see how the install goes. The Rotofab intake's going to be going on right now. We're going to be getting the rest of it off right there. So this was pretty easy. It was literally just one bolt right there and one bolt right there. Once you have those two off, that entire thing just slides right off. So, oh look, it's Sangzilla. So, we'll get that other piece off and then we'll do the install. Do it that way. By one, you get one beer, and during that, you have to finish that entire beer by the end of the race. But you can't drive while you're drinking the beer.
I'll finish that beer at the very beginning and still kick your ass.
Fine. That'll be really fun to.
It's happening.
So just check out the inlet valve on this intake. It's so much bigger than the stock one. If you can look behind there, it's really difficult to see. When I took the bumper off, though, you could see this section where this actually gets air from. It's going to be so much better for it to get airflow and whatnot. So we won't see a lot of gains until we get the intake on, or the tune on, but it'll definitely be awesome. Didn't explain that in the instructions.
Say that again.
Didn't explain that in the instructions.
I'll say what you said previously.
Oh, it slides right on in.
That's what she said.
Alright, so you gotta get this rubber pushed onto here and then put the hex head on this little notch right here. I don't understand why yet, but we're gonna find out soon, so don't worry. We're getting there. Alright, so it is really important that you put that tab there and have everything lined up because it goes into this little insert on the mass airflow sensor, so make sure you follow your instructions.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Life is pretty fast.
We're doing it.
Alright, so we just got that entire box done. That's all set up. We got a little spacer on there. Then we're working the heat shield, and then we'll be able to put the box in the car and actually do the tubing. Oh. There we go. Done.
Oh, it looked like you almost got it. And they said just make sure the hole fits into that stud that we put. You know what I'm saying? What you doing?
Just screwing in nuts.
Let me give you a hand there. Yeah. Yeah. There. Nope, I'm gonna film this whole part. Aw, yeah, son. Get it.
Skill.
Make it tight.
Almost there. This is a very intense install, don't you think? For an air intake?
Yeah, it is. It's a lot of turning.
It is a lot of turning. Get that camera. It's about to happen.
Oh shit. Oh shit, it's in. Alright. It's beautiful. It goes through there.
Okay.
And then
Oh, don't get my hands away.
through there. Boom.
Ta-da.
Ta-da!
Well, Jeff, I'm so proud of you. All right, so we got that vacuum line hooked up. Just make sure it's seated well on both sides. We had a little bit of a kink, so we ended up turning this just a little bit down here, and it took the kink right out, so it just made it tighter, if anything. So all we got to do now is put that plastic, or rip that plastic off, and then we can close the top, and we'll be done. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the install. I want to thank Sangzilla for hanging out today and helping us with this install. If you enjoyed this, make sure you like, and if you're interested in the build, make sure you're subscribing. We still got the catch can we got to do. It didn't go too well today, so hopefully we'll get that on tomorrow. And then we have the headers coming. Well, they're actually here. It's just we got to get the install in. I got to wait for my tuner to send me over the tune and everything like that. So make sure you're subscribing, and thank you guys for watching. Have a great night.